Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and you know what? A few years ago, I did popcorn on the Blackstone. It's really fun. It's really easy to do. But you know what I'm going to do tonight? Well, yeah, you do. It was in the title. I'm going to do bacon popcorn. So first thing we got to do is cook up our bacon, and then we'll pop our popcorn. So let's get the bacon done and get this thing going. I got some hot bacon grease right here. All right, we only need probably, I think it says about 3 tablespoons bacon grease. So we're gonna run with about that right there, and I'm gonna put a half a cup of Orville Redenbacher in here. Okay, I'm gonna spread that around. Let this go a couple of minutes. As soon as we get the first pop, we're going to cover it. Looks like we're already getting them to pop right there, and it's literally only been a few seconds. All right, so now we're going to cover it. Trying to shake it around so hopefully we don't burn them. Should we take a peek? Woo! There it goes. All right, I'm going to turn the fire off. We're going to get this off of here and into a bowl. Whoa, it's still popping. There you go. All right, so I've got some of that bacon, the extra crispy bacon. So I'm gonna bust this up, sprinkle it in there. Okay. And I've also got some I've got some maple sugar. You can use some brown sugar, but this is optional. You can sprinkle brown sugar, maple sugar, no sugar. You can add more salt. All right, there we go. How about that? There you go. Bacon popcorn for movie night. Let's give it a try. All right. Let's go watch a movie. I got to tell you, I took that bite outside, had a little bit of bacon there at the top. It all sunk down to the bottom by the time I came inside. Had another bite or two, and it was just didn't have flavor. I thought the popcorn itself, frying in the bacon grease, would make it taste more bacony. So I came inside, I heated up some Kerrygold butter, the Irish butter, and put that on here. Stirred it all up because that sugar all fell to the bottom as well. I got it all shook up, and with the butter on it, the sugar is sticking a little better. Some of that bacon, it's still at the bottom, but it's so much better with butter. Add butter. You get a little hint of bacon, but I thought for sure with the bacon grease it would be real bacony tasting. Nah. Not all right. I've seen this before, and I've seen it done, and everybody's like, it tastes like bacon. It doesn't taste like, well, mine doesn't taste like bacon. I'm not sure if I didn't use enough oil. I think I did. So anyway, just wanted to let you know, if you make this, don't expect it to taste real bacony. Even putting the crumbles on there, they all fell to the bottom. And, I can get them out and I can eat them. But with the sugar on it, it's good. You can add the butter, add some salt. It's not going to be too salty. Mix it up, get that bacon back up there, get the sugar in there. If you put sugar, it'll be all good. But it is fun popping popcorn on the Blackstone. Does a great job. Just move that lid around, and and you'll end up with a nice bowl of popcorn. Thanks for watching, and man, give it a try. Even if you don't use bacon grease, you can use olive oil or whatever kind of oil you want on your Blackstone. Just make sure it's hot. Get the oil nice and hot. Throw your popcorn on there and enjoy it. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.